Welcome to my channel. After seeing the video, please don't forget to subscribe and press the bell icon. In this video, I am going to show you how to install Dolby Digital plugin without root on Redmi 3S. At first, let me show you my music player. Look, I don't have any music equalizer or booster. I have provided an app in the description. Download it and install it. After installing, open it. If it showed like this, then you have successfully installed Dolby Booster Plus plugin. Now open your music player app and you will see the equalizer option there. Now, click on it and you will see different options there, like Dolby Booster, Bass Boost, Surround Sound and other modes. Okay, thanks for watching and don't forget to subscribe my channel.